I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi there, everyone. It's Jessica. Did you ever wanted to just pack your things and go traveling? Well, here's your chance. Today I'm taking you on a tour of the beautiful beaches of Malaga in 2023. Follow me around and experience the city with me. From the marble beaches of Ochre to the white sand beach of La Caleta, I'll be showing you all the gems of this amazing city. Watch me stroll around and learn a bit more about the area's culture. See how the locals spend their days and nights. From the lively nightlife to the ancestral landmarks, I'll be giving you the inside scoop. So don't miss out. Hit like on the video and leave your comments below. Together, let's explore the stunning beaches of Malaga. Let's go. The tour will begin on the Ochre Beach with its beautiful marble-colored sand. It's a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, so it will be great to get some sun and relax. Next, we'll work our way to La Caleta Beach, where its soft white sand will welcome us. The sound of waves crashing against the shore will be music to your ears. The views here will simply take your breath away. From there, we'll take a walk around the city and get to see the sights. Admire the ancient monuments and buildings. They're all part of the city's history. Feel free to take some pictures. The views from here are staggering. Along our journey, I'll be showing you little special places, like a vintage ice cream store for all the amateurs of the little pleasures. Get ready to be amazed. We'll end our journey with a spectacular sunset view, sure to stir up some emotions. So don't forget to come along and join me on this Malaga tour. I guarantee you won't regret it. Hit like on the video and leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss out on the exciting adventures coming next. Until next time, see you later.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.